Shahi Healy-ish, Dúra Foley Curragihike, Becht Curragihike, Dinne Vaughan Lastig Lindsay Pete, Shancer Vaughan get Lindsay! Has she deal with her fad? Ma Reinchis Boston Echer, Agus na Black League, Clara Scorike.
Well, Cara Janice Colleen Harva Laudria, Brother and Rihar Vigenta and Shen Noel Healy, Aval Cheese Dinner, Bert Shore, and Pass Corusha Godas Crean, next to Chance Toykin Shen, Eglindsey Peach, 3 Hulek, Yesaglyph Lachanish, and Kate Hulek and Shahish Janim.
And Roher on the Vach and kicking the Sarah Valachoma, Shakriani Walsh, Stacharish the Orla Farmer, Oscordacho, and Butchiga Farmer! Nada Hessachoine! Achlicht. Anna Valera, Orla Farmer, Derek Healy, Jordan Boylanisha, Lindsay, Davy, and Sonistic Siobhan was a heavy one, Pete on the Valley, Paul, yes, Barda, she got for Teen Leon Mach, a more extern, no Sullivan and Ish, Machkanin Glihan, Geraldine Often, Big Omke, Ifena Hokru, and Sota, she faints Sosta Shin, Agus a Hushka Mahake, Agastana Koyapucht, and Agus, she had the Black League of Ohig, Lindsay Davy here at Costantach. O'Reilly reached. Took a fair feint to Ehenig, Agus Mas Pite, Shinle, Cowan, Chule, or Kahishtig, Fehev. Ach, and this Intinish, Eshovola Fada Galore, Tita Hegara will lead, Harrison, Trastonishtig and Son, Agus a Stoch Revishinik Kintoig, on Bowen saw the Cork, Agus Ketarona, but Varimarlech.
Wat me cap on tuspont het eentje ook schon en Chen. Die was je Luain are going to be a tussle on a Valerie Mulcahy scoring on them.